one of the most well-known brands in the smartphone market is Samsung, whose flagship Galaxy S series often attracts the interest of tech aficionados all around the globe. Despite the fact that the Galaxy S23 series arrived earlier this year, speculations and leaks about the future Galaxy S24 series have already begun to circulate. The Galaxy S24 series, which is expected to launch in early 2024, has been the subject of a partnership between Galaxy Club and Sam Mobile to reveal early information on the series. As the Galaxy Foldable recently shown, significant leaks concerning Samsung smartphones often happen within a month of its release. The internal series codename for 24 is Muse. It's not shocking to learn a Samsung flagship's codename well in advance of its release, since the Galaxy has 23 families, and the Diamond codename was revealed before launch too. The rumor also asserts that the series may have 3 flagship models, including the Samsung Galaxy S24, 24 Plus, and 24 Ultra. This implies that Muse 1, Muse 2, and Muse 3 will be the codenames for these mobile phones, accordingly. According to Sam Mobile, the South Korean manufacturer might continue its tradition of producing a Plus model with the S24 series. However, nothing is known about the S24's specifications. However, we can confirm that the Ultra has a telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom. As a result, it is likely that the new sensor will replace the 3x lens in the S23 Ultra rather than its 10x counterpart. The Galaxy Club expects to learn more about Project Muse in the next weeks. Numerous new features and advancements over the previous series are anticipated for this one. One of the top mobile phones for 2024 is anticipated to be this gadget. There are already a number of excellent smartphones on the market, so waiting for a Galaxy S24 series may not be the best choice for everyone. As is customary with high-end Samsung phones, whether you decide to wait for the Galaxy S24 series or purchase another smartphone will ultimately rely on your specific tastes and needs. Just before the Galaxy S24 series formal launch, additional information should become available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.